Hi, here is Shengwen Peng, and this video let's to talk about the potassium permanganate and to make the oxygen. Yes, let's go on. In this picture, we can see that these are the experimental materials we need. For example, we have the rubber tube, the test tube, the alcohol lamp, the carton, and another things you can see in this picture. Yes. Let's go next page. On this page, we can see our experimental device. Yes. And on this picture, we can see first we have the alcohol lamp, the air stand, the glass catheter, and the snake, and the big test tube. And the last one is the potassium permanganate. On this page, let's take a look at the following device. This device can be divided into two parts. On the left is the generating device, and on the right is the collection device. Yes, let's go on next page. The page 5. Okay, on this page, let me talk about the experimental principle. First of all, we need to have the potassium permanganate, and we can get the K2MnO4, the MnO2, and oxygen by heating. Okay, in next two page, let's talk about the production of the oxygen. And first, we can see this picture. We need to check the air thickness of the equipment. And it's so easy. You can use your hand to hold the test tube. And when you can see the bubble in the water, that means we have the good air thickness of the device. It's so easy. Next, fill the bottle with water. Cover the mouth of the bottle with a glass sheet, and when put the bottle filled with water in the sink. Yes. On page 7, we saw that there is a carton into the device. The function of this carton is to prevent hot oxygen from blowing into the tube into potassium permanganate powered. And this page, you see, we must pay attention to the test tube mouth should be inclined downward to prevent the wet water into the medicine from turning into water vapor after heating. When the mouth of the test tube is cold, the water will flow back to bottom of the test tube, and the test tube will be broken. Yes. And the air clamp of the airframe should be clamped in the middle and upper part of the test tube. That is about 1/3 away from the mouth of the tube. On page 10, here is also need to pay attention. When we want to heat the test tube, we must first make the flame of the alcohol lamp move back and forth on the test tube, so that the test tube is evenly heated. So that's good. We can heat the test tube now. And when we observe the bubbles follow out evenly and put them back into the bottle. Here's 11 page. When you think you have the enough oxygen and you want to stop heating, so first move the tube out of the water and then turn off the alcohol lamp. And pay attention on here. do not use your mouth to blow the alcohol lamp. That's so dangerous. You need to use the lamp cap to turn off that. Yes. And here's the last page. Is talk about the nature of oxygen. Yes. Let us examine it and let a match tattoo the bottom of the tin's barrel. Then, when the match is about to run out, put it into the bottle, and we will find that the burning is more intense. Yes, and here's all of things about it. Thanks for listening. Here is Sheng Wenpeng. Thank you so much. That's all.